Okay, so in this example, we have a Excel sheet with some smile strings in them. So we can read this into ICM from an Excel sheet. We go to File, Open, and then read the sheet in, and it asks you if you want the first row to be column names, or read all the worksheets, but we only have one in this example. Just go OK. So this loads the chemical spreadsheet. Then we need to convert this to smiles, from smiles to 2D. So we right click and choose the option calculate insert column, and choose the option chemical here, and 2D from smiles. Okay, so now we have the smiles, we have the 2D molecules. Then we need to connect to MolCart. So you go to Tools, choose Connect MolCart, and enter the login instructions that are given by the when you run MolCart on the server. It'll give you a password and username. Then go to the chemical search button here. This one with the ring and the binoculars here. And then we have there's some search options here. So the query input is our table of smiles, and the table is called result1 _ sheet 1. So you should find it in the drop down menu here. And then we have some data sources. You could search a local table or a file, an SD file, but you have MolCart, so you can choose database, ScreenPub new, or I think in some versions of MolCart it's called all vendors. The table is called all vendors, and the database is called ScreenPub new. And then you just simply click search, and that will search these chemicals against the 10 million all vendors database in MolCart, which you can see here. Then once it's running, you'll see a progress bar at the bottom. And then there are some options for how you output the results, and one of them is via table. The default is table result, and so we should have a table with result here. And then we have for each chemical in our spreadsheet, we have the vendor name and the code to purchase that chemical. Thank you.